Are you staring at your marketing KPIs wondering how in the world you're going to hit them by the end of the year? I'm going to show you one thing that you need to be doing to hit your numbers sooner rather than later. Right now, every marketing team is scrambling to hit their numbers before the year wraps up. Because let's face it, marketing has been a tough nut to crack this year. Email open rates are down, and getting attention with promotions or ads feels like an uphill battle. Plus, the costs have just gone up while results may or may not have. So if you're looking at your numbers trying to make up some ground, you have to be texting to drive results fast. I'm sure you've heard that texting has a 98% open rate, but what that really means is your leads and customers are almost guaranteed to see it. Think about it. When's the last time that you got a text that you didn't at least glance at? That's why texting also has a 45% response rate, which is about 12 times higher than email. So that means it's the fastest and easiest way to get your leads and customers' attention in Q4. So it all starts with capturing the leads, the ones who have given you the green light to text them. You're probably already collecting email leads, and if you're already a sales message customer, then you're set up to do this now. But if you don't have this set up to collect texting leads, no worries, we still have time to collect them now so you can close them before the year's end. There's really two ways that you can start today. Number one is to just add a phone field to your opt-in form along with a consent checkbox. Now when people opt into your form, they're not only giving you their email, they're also giving you their consent to text them as well. The second way to start gathering texting leads is to use a text to join keyword. You know those ones you see that are like text the word pizza to 84756 to get a free slice or something like that. Sales Message makes this process super easy to set up these keywords. So inside the Sales Message, just go to keywords, click on create keyword, select your keyword and then give it a description so you know what it is. Then type in your message that someone will get after they text the keyword, select which number you want the text to be sent from, add any tags you might want, and then just make it active and click on create keyword. Now, in fact, if you'd like to test this out, just pull out your phone right now and text the word happy to 561-680-6681 and you'll be able to try this out live to see it in action. Then, once you have your keyword set up, go to all your top social channels, your top piece of content that's doing really well, or the spot where you're getting the most of your traffic and add a text to join keyword option at the end. It's as simple as that. You'll be able to drive in fresh leads who are ready to text with you. So if you're ready to start building your text list and driving engagement, book a demo with our team today, or text the word demo to 561-680-6681 to book a demo via text. Let's explore how Sales Message can help you turn those leads into loyal customers before the end of the year.